How do you fix yellow leaves on a money tree? The most common mistake we make with our houseplants is we overwater them. Because we want to take care of them, sometimes they need less. When roots sit in overwatered soil, bacteria and fungi can form, which can cause the roots to decay. You may have to drain the plant or even cut away rotten roots and repot the plant if there is significant damage. In general, you should water your money tree about once a week when the soil feels dry to touch. Also, make sure your planter has drainage holes so water can drain through the soil to prevent excess water from sitting in the planter. And not giving your plant enough water will also lead to the yellowing of its leaves. Yellow leaves caused by underwatering will be dry and crisp. The soil will also feel dry and crumbly upon touch. Even your pot will appear to be lighter when lifted up. Water as soon as you notice the soil becoming dry. Try the pencil sticking method to gauge the moisture level of your soil. Though money trees can handle low temperatures for a time, certain dips and peaks in your indoor environment can stress it out, reducing the chlorophyll in the leaves. Maintain temperatures somewhere between 65 to 80 degree Fahrenheit by improving air circulation during warmer periods. Keep your plant clear of AC vents and sources of cool, windy air like drafts or open windows during winter. Money tree grows best with bright, indirect light. Too much light or strong direct sunlight on the plant, especially from a south-facing or west-facing window, can cause pale, yellowish patches to appear on healthy green leaves. Also keep an eye on the humidity levels. Use a humidifier to increase the humidity levels of your money tree plant. A cost-effective alternative is to place a pebble tray filled with water under your pot. However, in some cases it is normal for some of the leaves to turn yellow due to natural aging of the plant. Simply cut the unwanted leaves off so that new ones can grow and replace. Do not leave yellowing leaves on until they turn brown, since it can spread decay to other parts of the plant. Hope you learned something today. Subscribe for more houseplants videos.